In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the microphone not working on Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're experiencing issues with your microphone in Slack, one important step is to adjust your settings within the app itself. We'll start by enabling gain control to help improve your audio quality. Click on your profile picture, which you can find in the bottom left corner of Slack. This will open up a menu where you can select Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, look for the Audio and Video section. In this section, you'll see an option that says Enable Automatic Gain Control. Go ahead and toggle that on. This feature helps stabilize your microphone's audio levels and can fix any problems with faint sound, so it's a great first step toward getting your mic functioning properly. Now, let's ensure that your browser is properly configured to allow Slack to access your microphone. Navigate to the top right corner of your browser where you should see 3 dots stacked vertically. Click on that to open a menu and find Settings. Once in Settings, search for Site Settings in the search bar or locate it on the left side of the screen. In Site Settings, you'll want to find Slack on your site list. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to scroll down a bit. Once you've located Slack, click on it to access its specific settings. Now, this is where we'll check the microphone permissions. Look for the microphone permission option next to Slack. If it currently says Block or Ask, you'll want to change that to Allow. By allowing microphone access, you're giving Slack permission to use your mic, which is essential for voice chats and calls. After adjusting your microphone permissions, it's time to refresh Slack to make sure all your changes take effect. Close the Settings tab, head back to your Slack tab, and refresh the page. You can do this by simply clicking on the Refresh button that's usually found in the address bar of your browser or by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Once you've refreshed the page, give your microphone another test. Try speaking into it to see if the audio levels are now coming through clearly. If your mic is still not working, you may want to double-check your computer's audio settings to ensure everything is configured correctly there as well. To summarize, we started by enabling automatic gain control in Slack, checked and adjusted browser permissions, allowed microphone access to Slack, and finally, refreshed the application to apply those changes. Hopefully, these steps will help you resolve the microphone issues you were facing on Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like these. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and best of luck